Hello guys, good evening. आम्ही हा पणजे इगोर्जेशी ही जी घाण आली पणजे इगोर्जेचे वंटींचे ती आता सगळी गेली हिंगासून. The crap, what they had put up on the church wall is gone. आणि होरेच सांगतलो म्हणल्यार पोवंक बरें दिसता, जिवाकूय बरें दिसता. The feel is come back what it used to be. आमी हिंगात बसून रिलॅक्स जाताले and it really feels good to be here when this rubbish is all gone. पूण हे बाबतीन आता काढला तें बरें आहा, बट द एक्झिस्टिंग डॅमेज जी तेणी केला हिंगासर इन्स्टॉलेशनाच्या टायमार दॅट स्टील दे. आनी थोडे कडेन तेणी एक्रेलीक पट्टी घातला ती सारकी न्हू. दॅट्स नॉट द रायट मटिरियल वॉट दे हॅड युज्ड आनी इट्स अ व्हेरी बॅड जॉब वॉट दे हॅड डन. सो वी हॅव डन अ बेसीक असेसमेंट हुंय कितें आहा आनी हुंय मार बसला. सो आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू एम्फसाइज ऑन दॅट. But before I go any further, I would say, if you're watching this video, Oscar Vaz is the president of the Confraria. Pedrito Fernandez is also an executive member. Besides being there, he's there. So these are the two guys who've been active since this thing came up and now it's gone. They are the only two guys who are active. So, how munta kite tumi hinga ji damage zala, igorjek jo mar bosla, हेजी इन्व्हेंटरी करची म्हूण मागता. कोण फुडें सोदता जाल्यार फुडें येवचे तुमी, इन्व्हेंटरी करची, मार्किंग करचें. जेणी हिंगा एक्झिबिशन घातला दॅट इज सुनाप्रांता, तांकां हेणी सांगपाचें आमचे कॉन्फ्ररियान, तुमी आमकां बरोवन परमिशनाक एप्लाय करा. ते जाले उपरांत हिंगा परमिशन तेणी ग्रांट करपाचें ओन्ली आफ्टर मेकिंग एन असेसमेंट and an evaluation what is being done आणि कितें मटेरियल यूजार करता तेजी रेसिपी कितें आनी जे मनीस कोण आहा वेदर दे आर रियली कॉम्पिटंट ओ कितें हेंचो हेणी अकाउंट दवरचो फॉर द रेकॉर्ड. कित्याक फाल्यां हिंगा मोडलें आनी हें पडलें तर कितें मार बसलो, हेंचो जॉब आहा तो काम फेल जालें जाल्यार दॅट रेकॉर्ड इज दे. आतां हें म्हणटा कितें ना तांकां करून वचूंक न्ही. सी दॅट डज नॉट वर्क हियर. म्हाज्या घरा हें चलचें ना आहलें. हांव नको तुमच्या घरा हें चलता ओ यू वील एक्सेप्ट इट, म्हाका दिसना. सो लेट्स नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट हियर. इगोर्जेन ohलीं कामां आमी मानून घेवची न्हू. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट नाव आय विल टॉक अबाउट अदर इश्यूज. आज हो व्हिडिओ करता आमी कित्याक टुडे इज 7th of January आनी 5 वर्सां आदीं हिंगा माड आहलो सकयल. तो माड सुकलोलो. इट गॉट इन्फेस्टेड विथ टर्माइट्स एंड इट क्रॅश्ड ऑन द railings on one of the church walls. जेन्ना तें मोडोन पडलें, बरो माल लागलो, म्हज्याय काळीज चड दुखलें. पादविकार रावलो फादर क्लॅथ पेरेरा, तेकाय दूख भोगलें अशें जालें म्हणून हिंगा. आनी प्रेसिडेंट आहलो कॉन्फ्रारीचो लुईजी फेर्रांव. सो हे मनीस आहले तेन्ना हिंगा. आयज कमिटी चेंज जाला आनी पादविकार दुसरो येयला. सो दीज वर देर. लेट मी मेक दॅट पॉयंट. So what has happened? 5-6 म्हयने अहेंच उरलें मोडलें तें. Till the start, end of June, it was just there. मागीर हें बांदलें. That is a good thing that they have rebuilt, repaired it. It's there, it's आज आहा तेणी बांदून काडलें म्हूण आज आहा हिंगासर. If not, it would have been a mess. आनी पेड्यार जावपाचें. So that is the positive part of it. Now the negative part of it is, जेन्ना हेणी बांदलें ओ मटेरियल तेणी सारको उजार करूंक ना. हें शिमिटान तेणी बांदून काडलें. एका लायम प्लास्टर आसता, सो तो प्लास्टर उजार करूंक ना. फिनिशींग बी बरें येयलां नो डावट, बट इट्स नॉट द करेक्ट थिंग. थंयच सकयल 2 पोस्ट आहा इगोर्जे कडेन इस्कादीचे तूं वयर येता लेफ्टान आनी रायटान. इफ यू आर फेसिंग द चर्च, द वन ऑन द रायट इज द ओल्ड वन, द वन ऑन द लेफ्ट has been rebuilt over the years. तिका एक्सिडेंट जालोलो आनी तें मोडोन पडलोलें. But again, when that was done, ताणी हें केलां तें not the right material. So, आनी ते डिझायनूय ताचो सारको ना. ते ट्राय टू रेप्लिकेट इट पूण तेंचे कडेन जावंक ना तो. बट इट्स स्टँडींग. तेच भाशेन ही हिंगा जी ओणत आहा, जे ओंटीक फुरीस आहा, हांव नको ही ओणत तेणी केन्ना बांदून काडली ती. सो हांव हिंगा आसना, हांव भायर आसता कामाक, पोटाक लागून वयता हांव आनी येता वयता. सो इन बिटवीन आय फावंड दॅट ही जी वॉल आहा, वेन दे ट्राय टू प्रिजर्व इट, they have done it with cement. which is very bad, not acceptable. Inga Archdiocese of Goa आमचो एक conservator they are person, I think his name is Ketak Nashnolkar. आता तो conservator हिंगा पासून कॉन्फ्रीचे प्रेसिडेंटान तेजें नांव काडलें. तो म्हणलो तूं बिनाका आमचो मनीस आहा आनी अशें तशें तो ओल्ड गोवा सांबाळटा. म्हणप कितें आतां हेजें, तो ओल्ड गोवा सांबाळटा हें कांयच न्हू. दिस इज नथींग फॉर हिम. बट इफ दिस इज द केस, I've named 3 instances, or I've pointed out 3 incidents where there have been major repairs being done, and it is not taken. It's just not acceptable. The cement galan tumhi kotta po. It is not conservation. It is a renovation sort of a thing. And he goes is 16th, 17th century. Acha timer it is a heritage monument. So it has to be preserved accordingly. So why I'm insisting that they use the right material and the right technique. सगळीं गोरां एका टायमार गोंयान बारीक पडल्या लोकांची सगळ्यांची गोरान they use the same plaster, most of them till about 1950s. आनी स्लो आतां तेंप जो पासर जाला आनी हे मनीस मेळना हिंगा काम करपी. That technique is going out. So it's endangered the whole heritage thing. गव्हर्मेंटाची बिल्डिंग आहा, they strip off the plaster आनी सिमीट मारून ते काबार कोत्ता. आनी म्हाका दिसता जे भाशेन द एटिट्यूड वॉट वी हॅव सीन फ्रॉम आवर पॅरिशनर्स, थोड्यांक ही गजाल खबरूय पासून ना कितें म्हूण तें. बट कमिंग बॅक टू द कमिटी, द पॅरिश प्रिस्ट आनी कोण आहा ते हिंगासर सो कॉल्ड कन्झर्वेटर्स, म्हाका दिसता गिवन हाफ अ चान्स or 1/4 of a chance हिंगा सिमीट मारून जर प्लास्टर करूंक they'll plaster each and every wall of the church with cement, and that should not happen. We should stop it here. तेच भाशेन जेन्ना तुमच्या घरान कितें जाता, it starts at home. कोण पोन्नी घरान रावता, this is something you all can look into it. जेन्ना रिपेर करता, do it traditionally. It will last for another 100 years. सिमिटाचें लायफ फकत 50-60 बरें आहा जाल्यार 70 वर्सां मागीर तेका क्रॅक येता, एअर येता. हें आमी पळयलां आमच्या दोळ्यांनी. सो आय अर्ज पीपल टू look at heritage from a new perspective, and aim of it should be to preserve our heritage, preserve our techniques which are on the verge of extinction. आणि नवे मुनीस तयार करचे आमी आणि we get this techniques back, we revive them, and that's the only way we can preserve our heritage. Otherwise we are going to lose it all. So आयकोलें म्हूण देव बरें करूं म्हणटा 2-3 व्हिडिओ आहा हांवें पयलीं काडला. आय जस्ट ट्राय टू पॉयंट आउट वेर वॉट्स बीन डन, आनी आय होप यू गोन टू फायंड इट इन्फॉर्मेटिव्ह. थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. चड चड देव बरें करूं. मोग आसूं. विवा गोवा. So guys, this is one of the portions which was damaged. Jenna maad padlo. Oh, maad hinga hato. That's the one. Suklolo tho. It was infested with termites, and one day it just decided to crash. And the day was 7th of January 2017. Yes, and it was 5 years back. So I am all hinga akke. It was broken till here. Or seam this pot I joined. Look at this. This is a difference. Yeah, it goes straight across here. And here cement on manla. This is cement, and this is proper traditional plaster, limestone possibly. I don't know the right recipe. So here cement on manla. So all the section as you see from here, mollo le, and Banla. So this happened during the time of Father Cleto Pereira. To aslo inga Padvigar, and he tried his best. And if I remember right, Luigi was the president of the Confraria. Ejere FM Allah cracked. इतले बरें काम केला म्हणटालो कोण पळय जॉन काय कोण तो आहा तो आमचो कॉन्फ्रारियान. बरें दिसता पळोवंक. बेस्ट हे सगळ्यांकीन बरें दिसता पळोवपाक कंपेर्ड टू द रेस्ट. It will look good because it is newly been built. Yeah. Secondly, cement and plaster kela. So cement does not have a long life. It's got a life of about 80 years on the higher side, you know. नाला का crack येता है पोयला आम्ही ने building crack येता. So the good thing is it's standing, but the negative part of this is it's been done with cement. It is not repaired or restored using the correct techniques and the correct material. So this is something I'd like to highlight. And then there's been a lot of damage otherwise, which will be better done during daytime. And I'll try to cover the whole church. So lokanga gompak hui kide ala. And this is an example here of traditional हे आमचे बामटीपणा करून करून हे आहा ते हिंगासर दोरयो बांदून हिंगाचो हे प्लास्टर उडयला हेणे हिंगाचे पळय क्लियरली विजिबल बामटीपणा करता हें घातला हिंगा अरे हिंगा मेटलाचे ओ प्लास्टिकाचे बॅरियर हाड आनी घाल हे भिकारीपणा करता ती बामटीपणा ही सूच दिसता पळोवपाक. This is the face of Panjim. This is our church. You can't imagine Panjim without this church. कोण हांकां गिन्यान दितलो. So apart from that, this is the finishing, roughly how it should look like. This maybe has been plastered. I don't know, but there are untouched ones here. So again, this is possibly an untouched example, never been touched. Possibly, that's what I'd like to believe. एका हिंगा दोरी घालून घालून एका मार बसला. हिंगा दोरी घातलेली from that side to here बॉन्ड करपाक टुरिस्ट येता ते. You see this? दोरी घालून. This is the other side. हिंगा मार बसला. हिंगा मार बसला दोरी घालून पळय हिंगा हें घातला दोरी. And this is the plaster what these guys had put, and it's coming off. Synthetic acrylic plaster is not the correct one. By sotta. So this really looks bad here. I mean, I've covered it. I will cover it eventually, the whole thing. That's why हे दोरी घालून बोईल सारखे आहात कुत्ता ते हे दोर घालून हिंगा. This is the damage. I don't know why they do it. बरो कच्चो येला व्हडलो. वयर पावले आमी आतां. So this is how it should be. This is not being touched. झाडां बिडां जाता पळय हितून भायर उडोवंक जाय काडून. हिंगा फिये मारलेले ओरिजिनली. So this is the outcome of pinholes here, not pinhole, nail holes all over. So this is possibly untouched. So this is how it should look like, the finishing. And boy, how different it is. This is another example how it should look like. एका सगळ्याक मार पडला हिंगा फिये मारून मारून. Look at this. So yeah, हिंगा ही दोरी वयर घातलेली आनी एक्झिबिशन जेन्ना हें केलेलें and this area was closed. हिंगा दोर घातलेले, if you all remember, कोण मिसा येता ते. आनी हें दोर घालून हिंगा राजू बांदून हें जाला. So this is the part which I was earlier talking about, which is being rebuilt, reconstructed. See, the good thing is, if you look at it positively, this thing has been rebuilt. It was abandoned for a while. I mean, it just left on its own. And the good part of this is, it's there, it's standing. So coming back to the negative part is, it's been done with cement. It's been plastered with cement. So this looks very new in comparison to the other one. And this this is something what a lot of people don't realize. It's there, yes, it is there, it's standing, but look at the way it's been done. Very sharp edges, very modern finish. It's done in a different time, so it looks quite new when it's compared to the rest of the church. So this is the original one, and have a look at this, how it's been done. This was done with traditional plaster. This is giving way. They've spat upon this, which is not really right. It's also been neglected. It does need attention. And look at the quality of this. I'm sure this has been repaired or replastered somewhere in the last 40 or 50 years. Look at the ball on top, how small it is, and look at that one. I mean, the previous one. So this is the finish quality here. As you see, it's not straight as such. It's got an offset or a bend as such, which you don't see in the other one. They've tried to replicate or copy it, but it's a good job, but it's not matching. Yeah. Yeah, this is from the other side. Again, it's pretty badly ignored. It's not been looked after. The traditional plaster has come off. Maybe a large chunk of it has come off, and somebody has just tried to preserve it in the past. Yeah. So this is the front side of it. And maybe this board shouldn't have been here. It should be somewhere else. Maybe a bit more on the outside or on the inside. It says parking prohibited. Very good. Have a look. Clearly see the difference in this one and the previous one.